Fix headset mic not working on Windows 11. So how to solve headphone not detecting when plugged in. So to be able to resolve this issue, first thing you can do is to check your microphone for permissions. So go ahead and click on WinEye on your keyboard, and that will allow you to open your settings. So on settings, go ahead and head over into the privacy and security tab. And then from here, go ahead and look for the microphone settings. So, ensure microphone access and let app access your microphone are turned on. Now, after that, verify hardware. So, make sure the headset's mute button isn't active. Test the headset on another device to confirm it works. And then set default input device. So, right click on the sound icon on the taskbar. And then from here, go ahead and select sound settings. Now, under input, go ahead and set the input to your preferred microphone. Now, lastly is to update or install drivers. So go ahead and click on WinX on your keyboard, and then from here, select Device Manager. And then on Device Manager, head over into the audio inputs and outputs. And then from here, go ahead and right-click on your headset or mic, and then select Update Driver. If issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the driver. And that is how you can basically fix headset mic not working on Windows 11.